debt's job. This is for humiliating my family and making me look like a fool. Had enough? Sure, fly away. Coward. The water. It's gone. Oh no.
The watering hole has never gone dry before.
We're gonna need a lot more time.
Wait.
How did this happen?
Out of my way. What is going on here?
The watering hole's dried up. There's barely enough water for one of us.
Yes, good observation, Shirley.
I'm Bobby.
Lukunga,
How
what do we
survive
do?
without water?
Quiet!
Enough for all of us.
Listen up. I'm afraid there is only one solution to this horrible crisis. We'll all have to fight for it.
Fight for it.